it's not automatic. Now, what? No, you are leaving this side. This is not where we are.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
What you need, what I need, what anybody on this system, this is the system we are trading with. Like on Friday, we made that massive move on gold and on all those GBP, Euro, US, all of
Yeah.
us, we made it with this system.
Huh.
Click on GBP US. Okay, let me explain. Let me show you something here. The video is there for you to rewatch them again. This, you see that there are two time frames there,
Yeah, 5 minutes and 15 minutes.
15 minutes. So if you want to, there's what we call A setup. There's what we
Yeah.
call B setup. Of course, you know the difference between the both. A setup is high probability. B setup is a little bit of medium probability. That's
Yeah.
what it means. This system has high level of accuracy, and your emotion is inconsequential. You have to follow the system to the line. Say that you are following your own analysis or you are following the system. If it's the system you are following, before you can click on buy or sell, look at your left hand side.
I can see this
The
one's
7G, the first most important thing is the trend direction. It
mm-hmm.
will tell you if it's a buy or a sell. And once that is done, that is confluence number one. That means you are not going to, if you say it's a buy, like in this scenario, meaning you are not going to look for any sell. And as you see this buy, just the first step, you are not pulling your trigger. What you see in front of the trend is at the number of the candle. What time frame are you on?
This is currently 5 minutes.
You are on 5 minutes time frame. At there is telling you the number of the candle. That candle, if you use your price range to measure vertically, is it vertical? Yeah, vertically. The vertical is one straight. Which are, okay, horizontally. You
Vertical
know
is
how
up
many
to
number.
down.
Okay, horizontally. That you know how many number of candles from that particular candle. That is where they buy. This system begin to detect buy. Number two, what you see as the second confluence, it will tell you the trend invalidation cell active. That is the terminology it will put there.
Okay.
Cell trend invalidation cell active. Because this system you don't use stop loss. So that is what I'm trying to explain. And it will tell you at there the number of the candle where that began from. The third thing you need to see, it will give you point of interest, POI. That is the place you should enter.
Okay.
And it will tell you where it will put at, and it has to be buy. Point of interest has to be buy. Then it will
Okay.
now put at the place that the buy was fully confirmed from. But at this point now, there's no point of interest on that time
Mm-hmm.
frame you are on now. It's a no POI. That means the first one is confirmed, second one is confirmed, third one there's no confirmation, there's no trade yet.
So it's
You have
not.
to be patient
Oh,
and wait.
okay.
These are those things at your left hand side. I've explained. This is the way you interpret and read them on any chart at all. If it's a sell, it will do the opposite. It will be sell. The trend direction will be sell trend. The second one will be the trend invalidation will be buy active, and the POI will be sell at whatsoever. Now that is criteria one. You see this arrow, this green arrow beneath that thing I just explained now.
Mm-hmm.
That was the buy. That is what we call a B setup.
B.
B setup, yes.
Okay.
B setup
Okay.
medium probability.
Okay.
It means as you see that arrow is filled up, meaning the buy, the three things I've given you confirmation as trend confirmation is there, area of interest, your point of interest is already confirmed. And now arrow has come, green arrow, in the direction of your trend. But that green arrow is not sufficient for you um to say you want to really buy. If you want to buy, there will be that means you are ready to accept some drawdown. If you are going by B setup, Now, what we call
Okay.
A setup, you see that there are other arrow with hole down there.
With what?
You see where you see cluster of arrows down. But apart from,
Mm.
there's a one that is filled up and there's one that has hole in
Okay,
the
yes,
middle.
yes, true, true. Okay, so you
These
said the
people
one that is filled is the A setup or B setup?
B setup, B
Okay, so the
setup.
one that is empty is A.
What if the empty one followed by the one that is filled? That means you have gotten an A setup on the
Mm.
time frame you are looking at the price.
Okay,
And that A setup, that is high probability trade.
okay.
You can go ahead and click on buy without emotion about it.
Mm.
There's no emotion attached and there's no stop loss. How do you exit? You are going to exit anytime the opposite color. See at the top there, the extreme end at the right hand corner. Do you see red arrow there?
Arrow, arrow. You said at the extreme top,
Red by your right hand side.
this
Correct.
one?
That
Yes.
is your exit. That is your stop
Okay,
loss.
okay,
And that if you measure from that place now to that, you know how many pips. It's not a small pips. So the arrow appear there is telling you exit the trade. So
Mm.
when we say we are trading without stop loss, we know what the system is already designed in a way that there will be a point of invalidation. That particular point now is telling you now exit your trade because something is already cooking inside. As if trend is about to kind of is weakening, so you have to
Mm.
exit at that point. I'm telling you, people don't know what is in yet. The guy, he knows since 2018, he knows how brokers, how they manipulate all this scanner. Then some scanner will work, they no work again. No broker have access to this scanner.
Mhm.
Are you seeing it now?
Mhm.
The company is a tech AI tech, and then a software company. And the people that are working there, they are. I'm telling you, like a nation. It's a word on its own. But listen, you don't shout about it. If you say, you know how I do my thing now. So this thing you see here, as you are with the knowledge you have on market, you don't need any other thing as you sit down there. You can sit down there, just come to the chat and check. Yeah. You trade it on any of
Mm.
your accounts. You trade it on last week. As I'm talking after I'm done with you, now, I'm going to withdraw close to $500 for just on Friday trade. Friday and how many
How
in this
much are you
system?
trading with?
I'm trading on one account is 400. I double it.
Ah,
Is I'm without
I bet you not gonna need my wallet like this.
without it's not I'm not with the high level of proper risk management. But sometimes people in fact this thing okay like a gold like a what this thing GDP USD I was on it
Mm-hmm.
Euro USD I was on it on Thursday because this thing show me it's a buy. They draw down. I didn't care. Now the way this system is designed, if you place one buy, you have to have like two or three pending order.
Okay.
50 pips interval. That is the way the system is. I mean, because if you enter that B setup, that means there's a probability of the market going down a little bit, but you are very certain, nothing is certain in the market, but you are very certain that according to the system, the market must buy and is going to buy. Your emotion is irrelevant. I don't know if you are getting on.
Yeah.
Now, as it brings now, but what I do, there's some people that are scalper, they can go with 5 minutes. I don't trade on 5 minutes. Because I want to go with high probability. I've lost a lot in the market and I don't want to lose to the market any longer. So I don't go for medium probability setup. So of course, the higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation.
Mm.
So I trade only on 15 minutes. I don't click if I want to check any of this pair there, I go to 15 minutes. Click on card CSF and see. Go to 15 minutes. I don't trade. You can decide what you want to
Okay.
trade. I'm just telling you how the
See,
system
it
works.
said buy POI ads.
Everything here is confirmed. You can see you see those see that the last arrow today now see those arrow you see yeah that is exactly because the A setup the B setup has been from this side See the number of candle when this trend. The scanner insisted it's a buy since 3,448 candles. You can see at the top now when it's a buy trend. Are you
Uh,
seeing it there?
okay, here. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that is when the buy began. And then he said trend validation sell active at this particular
Mm,
candle. That is it. Everything. And then he give you POI. I checked, I marked on my laptop this morning that POI. That was today's, it began from that arrow down there, that arrow with hole. It began from there.
mm,
But you have missed this trade now, so you are not entering from where it is
mm,
because you're supposed to enter at the close of that candle on top of that green that bar arrow. Is that my keyboard? Let me see. Trace it up. Sorry, please. Hello.
yes, I'm with you.
Okay, now so the plane has taken off, so you are not pursuing price. So you wait, except there's a pullback down again, and then you see another. So that's how they see. That is how I've sent you the listen. Watch the video I sent to you. I've
Watch
already
it.
made it. So that's how it is. So if you want to trade on any of these pairs, click on them. I advise you, but you have your choice to make, to stick with 15 minutes. If you see 15 minutes, everything at this other side like this, you see that it's a buy trend. You see
Mm-hmm.
the sell. You see the trend, the invalidation, sell active. You see the POI, and then you see green arrow, and you see the another second arrow. Then that is your B setup. Not that the green arrow, the one that is filled up. You see another one that is filled up. No, you have to see this one with O. Are you seeing it now?
With O, what do you mean with O?
The one that is not completely filled now, it
Okay,
has O.
yes,
This
yes,
other one,
yes.
that,
Okay,
yeah,
yes. Okay, you mean whole.
that,
Yes.
that
Okay,
is
yes, yes.
exactly. That is what is called a setup. And if you see
Okay.
that A setup, my brother and I be that too.
So now what I'm confused about is the POI. How does it drop the POI?
It will tell you, if you tell you no POI, that means you are the trend is a buy, but the end you have
No
not
point
found
of.
entry yet.
Okay,
Point
so
of interest, that is your like a demand and so what I call fair value, all those things they are calling now. As in your
mm,
something that is your area of interest where you want to
yes,
enter a
no,
trade
I
from.
get. So my point is, if there were if maybe there was a trade here, what is it going to show me on POI? Is it going to give you the exact point? Like for example, in this case, 0.58 or something.
It has the POI that is there, it has told you if you go to your trading view, you measure on 15 minutes time frame, you measure what they call 89 candle. Like the one I measured before. If I okay, let me see if I can open my this thing because it's marked on my chart. Um you are that is you if you want to know when the buy began from, let me that POI put where
Okay.
is it? Catch
Now
it
let's
yourself.
say if maybe I cut it before this 89, what will it have shown? Is it one or zero, or what will it show? That's what I want to know. Like, how do we know?
They don't. I wanted to enter here, but I was busy with other things. Okay, just a few people. What it will show if you cut it immediately, it's bringing POI. It will be one or two candle now.
Okay, okay.
Where that POI began from is 0.57842.
Okay, 0.57. So you're in the trade now?
I was busy. I was guiding somebody. I saw it. I wanted to a place I want to enter. I wanted to enter, but I marked it on my. I was supposed to enter, but I was busy guiding. We that are helping people. Like
Okay.
now, there's a woman from France. She's a nurse. Her husband is in England. She's a grandmother. She's really draining me. Now after this call, I'm having call with her. She has been she just returned from work, and then they have to work with her schedule. I've helped her from beginning to this point, and they have to, and it's my responsibility till the end of the meeting. Is
Okay,
you know.
that's fine.
So she was telling me her husband trade forest for bank in England, but the man no one teach her. Now until she discovered this, see, if you see the way she's a grandmom, but if you see the passion, You won't believe it. You see now. So that's why I miss. One of the reasons why I miss my the trade. It's a sacrifice. We are really the guy.
Mm.
The guy is building a system that yourself that you know about tech. It will wow you as a person. Some things, and it don't. There's no single hype. You understand?
Yes.
Nobody. It doesn't want people to post results if it's not say what is people use result to deceive people. Are you seeing it now?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't want say people. They shouldn't go and post result for anybody to come and say want to join. They don't care. You know. Like now, and the thing that I saw. Go to, log. Are you with your phone? Just watch the video I sent to you. Then you are
I'm going
going
to watch
to
them. Oh,
at your convenience. Yeah. Good afternoon, my power. We have not connected my MT4 one. Okay.
once we're done with this call, I think that's what I want to concentrate on this week now. Because I've been
So
behind. So I
if you
just
want
want to
to
get.
share your phone. Share your phone. Let me show you what I want to show you now. So that
Let me share. Um, Let me press allow or that device to share.
as you are there like this,
Mm-hmm.
he say he suffered for affiliate program over the years, and he want to change the narrative. Are you seeing it now?
Yes.
And everything is good. He suffered the capital and he changing the narrative. All the things and those things are not mere words. There are backups. If I show you the way their program is designed, how they do things, if you see the money that is like now, if you have five people under you before, as in you are on salary permanent monthly, that is $50 monthly. If you have 10, you are on salary $100 monthly. From September, first week of September, you are receiving the money monthly. Not that maybe it's once and for all. Then there is an account, a reward system that is credited to your wallet in that FS Oracle. And the good automation will be trading for you, will be withdrawing your profit. And the withdrawal will test on it within 1 minute, your money is in your account.
Mm.
So it's beyond what people think. All this thing, we that are in that circle, we know all of those stuff. I seen it now.
Yeah.
Is there if there is then you wait and see. Let's just wait till after 1st of September. You understand what I'm talking about. Some people permanently they can never lack capital to trade forex market again. It's not possible. And not
So
because they do
I'm
anything.
sharing my phone screen now. What did this actually do now?
Now, like log into your FX Oracle.
Okay. Wait.
When you see that somebody has a backup from heaven, it's not about Nigeria, it's not about Africa. The revolution the guy has brought is to the entire forest ecosystem. Okay, she has something.
Okay, I've logged in now.
Okay. Okay. Click on understand. Then scroll down slowly. Be scrolling slowly. Slowly. Okay. Click here to create. Wait. Before you click on this place, have your VPN handy. Then click here to create a Nigerian wallet.
Yeah.
You put your VPN, then create your 4-digit PIN for transaction.
Okay. Okay.
You don't need Bybit exchange to to change crypto. My brother. What is here is a word on its own. But let's go one step at a time.
Mhm.
Mm. It's a word on its own. You click on create wallet.
Okay.
You can always change whatever I need to change in terms of password or whatever.
Okay. What it could not process request invalid. Which one is invalid UPN number?
It's invalid. If it's valid, it would have gone.
Let me see. 222. 9 3.
You can
Okay.
always get it from your phone, So
9673. Okay. I think that's 456. Okay. Okay. Could not process request wallet to see. Why is it saying this one now?
try again. That one, if the vision is correct, maybe you can change your PIN or something.
No, 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 no. That VPN is correct too.
If it's correct, it have said it's not correct if it's not. Since the process is instant,
Mm-mm.
try for the last time if you didn't go. Are you using iPhone or the other Android?
No, it's the Android phone I'm using.
It's instant, supposed to be instant.
32296 730 45. That's it. Three, three. Create wallet. Uh-uh.
Okay. Uh, don't worry. Just don't worry. Maybe I'll find out why your own is that way. Is 1 second is done and
Mm-mm.
no problem. So what you need to do now is to that one is to be sorted for you. Mm. What you need to do now is just go over on how to use the what they call the scanner. So that one you want to on your laptop, you hold on for it a bit. You don't really need it at the moment. To be sorted.
Okay.
It's
You
not
said I should go to where?
it's,
Scanner?
no, no, I say you should watch the video on how to use that scanner. Very short video on them,
No, no.
so
I'll
that you
watch it.
familiarize yourself with them. Okay, maybe I'll send you a note as well. The jotted note to help you. So that is I think that is all you need at the moment. Just for
Okay.
it to just sit down with that, you are good to go.
No,
I'm
anything
putting it.
important, I like to get it done.
So that is it. That is all. If you just watch how to use that, then if I were you, I would stick to 15 minutes. But you have your choice to use any other means.
No, 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 no. If you
So
say
that's
15
what's going
minutes
on there.
is working for you, why would I go and be doing this thing now? It's
So
just what is working.
for yeah, some people that are aggressive trader, they might want to
No. The
use
same thing
for
you make in that 5 minutes, three of it is what 15 minutes may give you now.
that is true.
So where's the rush? Yeah, the rush for
15
this
minutes
market. So
15 minutes gives you high probability setup, and you won't battle with maybe a little, I mean, unnecessary drawdown. Okay. I'm sending you this so that
anything you know that will help me, I beg, you can send it to.
I'll forward, yeah, yeah, we can, so you can